Hey guys, I just noticed this squirrel right here. His back, it looked like a hawk must have come down and grabbed him. He has got a line across his back. It's okay, see that right there? Up by his head there. Something tried to grab him. You can see it's like a cut. The hawk's dived down. Poor baby. He looks like he's alright, but he's eating. A lot of these guys get these injuries. We've seen a lot of hawks lately. Look at the line. Let's see when he comes down. He's a young one too. And the hawks will come swooping down from behind. Poor little baby. You got plenty of food here, baby. A lot of these younger ones out here. The hawks are just waiting. What's up, baby? The other one's over here. Yeah. See, yeah, he's wounded up tightly. Poor baby. Yeah, he's got something swiped him and he got away. Oh, baby. A lot of squirrels out here this morning. Hopefully the bees will stay away from me. Oh, they run. Easy, guys, easy. They're rambunctious this morning. What the heck you doing? Oh my gosh, what are you guys doing? You're in a lot of territory. These guys chasing each other off. Be nice. There's the one I'm worried about here. Yeah, it looks like talons from the hawk that probably didn't get him just right. He was able to escape. And the hawk will let him go if they don't kill him instantly, because the hawk doesn't want to get injured. So a lot of times if the hawk doesn't get him just right, it will release because it doesn't want to injure itself. The hawk usually relying on surprise. Be nice, guys. There's a lot of babies out this morning. Oh, here to be already. Come on now. Oh, who's that? Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, I got a nice big one here for you. Come on. Come on. Yeah. That's a nice one right there. There you go. Hop along, kissy deech. Oh, here comes the bee again. So weird. These bees over here, they're attracted to something. They keep buzzing me. And a lot of them too. There's the bumblebees, which I know are harmless, but all you hear is that buzz. And I have been chased over here a few times by this huge yellow jacket. I mean, it's just huge. I don't want to get stung by that thing. Some of them are pretty aggressive too. Oh, there's a baby over here. It's injured. I keep looking. I'm trying to see the wound. Doesn't look like it's bleeding, but it is red. Got right down. Right now. Look at the cute baby. All chowing down. Let me see. We still got enough in there. I have to put some more of this in. I gotta run to the bank. Apparently there's a problem on one of our accounts. It's amazing that the bank gets to take money out of your account twice. That's why I don't allow it to just take money out of my account. Michelle has it set up for, I guess, auto pay for credit cards. So they took a payment, and they took it twice. And one payment went to the credit card, and the other one went into the unknown. So I have to go to the bank and find out where that money go. Because what it caused, the ripple effect, was they jumped over into our savings account and took money out because it looked like she overdrafted, which she did not. So good luck straightening that out at the bank. So I'm not really looking forward to that. Nobody knows what's going on. Oh, that's not my department. Or we'll get it straightened out. You'll get your money back. I love when they say that. My last problem with my business account, I got the money back 7 months later. Yeah, it's kind of funny. Yeah, 7 months later. I complained in December and got it last month. So it was about 6 months. And it was nothing. It was $72. But it's just a point. It's my money. You make a mistake, I have to pay. Oh, that's a great system we have. Great system. But that's why we come back here with the squirrels. You see, everything makes sense over here. Little baby just want to eat. You breathe a little back here. You just watch a little bit of nature. All the birds. There's order. You know, it's just a calming effect of nature. And then every once in a while you get a little brouhaha with the squirrels, but they settle their differences pretty quickly. Unlike here where you gotta, fill out 2 reports, speak to AI, and then maybe you get a human, and then maybe they'll fix it. These guys got it right over here, right? They do a quick little battle, issue resolved. They're the little babies. He's watching me. There's a little guy up there. Be careful, little man. Oh, don't be fighting now. You guys are funny. see the squirrels are everywhere. What's up, guys? What, you want some? What you want? Let me get one for you. Let me get one for you. Come on. Come on. Alright, here you go. Here you go, little one. Got it? It's a good one. There he goes. Let's see what we got. Another one. Alright, guys. Let me get going. Squirrel Kingdom. Play nice, guys. You got one? Huh? Oh, what's going on over here? Oh, you alright? Jeez. These guys are still fighting. Uh-oh. The bee's coming back. Let me go, guys. Signing out here. Friday. In Squirrel Land. Here. Alright. You want one? You want one, buddy? Come on. Come on, I'll get you one. Alright. Alright, guys. Oh, you coming? Oh, here you go. Here you go. That's a good one. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Uh-oh. Who's growling over there? Oh my gosh, these guys are jumping all over the place. I better bring some more out. Alright, guys. Alright, let me go get some more pecans and put them out.